As I'm out there in the wild talking to other people, kind of sharing my journey as a technical founder, I get a lot of different questions. I'm pretty open about things. I share my experience as much as possible, but the question I get is, do you need to know how to code to found a tech startup? Well, the short answer is, well, probably. You're going to have to learn to share the glory, or you're going to have to learn to code. Founding a tech startup is hard. This is why most people you run into, even the folks at Y Combinator, suggest having at least one co-founder, in which one needs to be technical. If you aren't technical, then finding a technical co-founder can be extremely difficult, as most of the best ones are in extremely high demand. Deciding to find a co-founder will be the single biggest expense your company takes on. Why? Many co-founders are going to want close to a 50-50 split of equity. No matter what you negotiate to, this is likely the largest chunk of your company you will give up at any one time. Deciding to be a solopreneur allows you to greedily keep all that sweet equity for yourself. For now. You will have to wear twice as many hats than if you shared that load. In order to do this effectively, you need to be technical. You have to know how to code, not technically. At a bare minimum, you need to understand core concepts like distributed systems, tech stacks, basic solution architecture, functional and non-functional requirements, service level agreements, DevOps, and on and on. When it comes to your prototype, you can either hire it out, which can really become expensive quick, even when working with overseas partners, or you can do it yourself. If you have a simple product, you'll at least have to know HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. If you have any security or data protection needs, you'll have to know some backend stuff like Java, C#, Go, or Python. If it is a mobile platform, you'll have to know that world too: Objective-C, Kotlin, Swift, and Flutter. If you're looking for a bright side in all this, at least you can avoid all those low-level languages like C++ and Rust. No one wants to work with pointers if you don't have to. This doesn't even address front-end frameworks like React, Vue, and Blazor. Learning a coding language can take a very long time, even to just grasp the basics. It took me about 3 years learning C# before I felt professional and proficient. So what it boils down to is the best use of your time. If you want full control and can delay an MVP for a while, then learn to code. Otherwise, find a technical co-founder, eat the equity, and focus on developing your idea and business aspects.